Are you looking for a solution to automate and improve the efficiency of your loading dock? Ancra Systems will show a full range of automatic truck container loading and unloading solutions at the ProMAT show. Ancra Systems offers the most comprehensive standardized solution and customizable ATLS solutions to meet the specific needs of each customer. Fully automated load and unload high-volume palletized goods and non-palletized goods in one shot. No manual intervention is required. With Ancra's ATLS solutions, truck loading and loading time are reduced from a half hour to a few minutes, allowing a single dock door to handle 4 trailers per hour. Ancra's ATLS solutions streamline supply chain processes and improve safety for employees by reducing the risk of injury and accidents during loading and unloading operations, as well as minimizing product damage, to ensure products reach their destination in good condition. Labor savings are immediately realized with ATLS solutions since fewer logistics workers, fewer forklifts, and the associated training, maintenance, and repair costs drive other cost savings. Ancra Systems made just-in-time and just-in-sequence deliveries possible. We will also present our new ATLS portfolio at the show, to assist more customers in finding the best solutions for their specific requirements. Plan your schedule to meet us at booth S1018 to discover more.